How to use Wrike Project Portfolio properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Wrike Project Portfolio is a robust tool for managing multiple projects and tracking performance, but beginners often make mistakes that undermine its effectiveness. Most people get this wrong, but mastering Wrike can dramatically improve project visibility and team efficiency. A major mistake is failing to define project hierarchies and folders. Beginners often place all projects in a single list, which makes it difficult to track progress across multiple teams. For example, creating portfolios for marketing, product development, and client services, and then organizing projects within each, ensures clarity and easy navigation. Another common error is neglecting task dependencies and timelines. Wrike allows you to link tasks, set milestones, and visualize Gantt charts. Ignoring these features can lead to missed deadlines and overlapping work. Setting clear dependencies helps your team understand priorities and sequence tasks efficiently. Resource management is frequently overlooked. Wrike lets you assign resources, track workloads, and avoid overlocation. Beginners often assign tasks without checking availability, leading to burnout or delays. Proper resource allocation ensures balanced workloads and on-time delivery. Collaboration mistakes are also costly. Wrike supports real-time comments, file sharing, and notifications, but beginners may continue using external emails, creating fragmented communication. Centralizing discussions within Wrike keeps everyone on the same page and reduces miscommunication. Finally, reporting is underutilized. Wrike offers dashboards, custom reports, and performance metrics to monitor project health. Beginners who skip these insights may not identify bottlenecks or underperforming teams until it's too late. Regularly reviewing reports allows proactive adjustments and informed decision-making. To use Wrike Project Portfolio properly, organize projects into portfolios and folders, define dependencies and timelines, allocate resources carefully, centralize collaboration, and leverage dashboards for reporting. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms Wrike into a powerful tool for managing complex projects and driving team success.